What's up guys, Wilson here with our latest project vlog, which is for this car. A brand new Lotus Emira, and the color on here is Nimbus Gray. Now what we will be doing for this car is actually quite straightforward. It will be a full body ClearGuard Alpha G2 PPF installation. Every single panel on here will be 100% custom installed so that it can be as seamless as possible. After that is done, we will be ceramic coating the entire car, including wheels and calipers. So we're gonna move this in, get this entire process started. And at the very end, you will see the final results, and I'll take you on a walk around to show you how exactly we do the PPF installation for this car. Check this out. Alright guys, that was our entire process, and this is the final result. As you can see, we did every single panel on here. We filmed every single panel on here as a custom installation, making it as seamless as possible. So what we're going to do for the rest of this video is take you on a walk around, and I'll show you a couple of panels that are a little bit more difficult on this car, and I'll show you specifically how we do this. So let's start with the front bumper. On the front bumper, as you saw, this was a one-piece installation. Normally there will be joining seams along the side over here. There will be a seam over here and some relief openings in these areas. What we did was a one-piece custom installation, filming it from side to side, top to bottom, and eliminating essentially 99% of the seams that would be on here if this was a pre-cut template. Doing it this way just makes it look so much better, and we're maximizing the protection so that there will be less gaps and less dirt to collect over time. On this top area right around the emblem, there's no need for us to remove the emblem because we just wrap the film simply into this crevice area so that the seam is not sitting on the outside. Now let's make our way to the side of the car. Every single panel on here, again, 100% custom. We wrap the film wherever possible, whether it's leading edges or around corners, to make it as seamless as it can get. As another example, let's take a look around the door handle area on the doors. We wrap the film into these gap areas so that the seams are not sitting on the outside and just collecting dirt and looking bad over time. Now, One of the more difficult panels on this car is the rear quarter panel. Not just because of the size, but because of this vent opening area right over here. There are tons of aggressive compound curvature, which makes this difficult, which is why normally there will be a joining seam either here or down here, or relief openings somewhere in this area. As you can see, this is a one-piece installation and the seams are right up to the panel edges and wrap everywhere else so that you don't see the seam just sitting there randomly. Now, let's make our way to the back side of the car. Along with the front bumper and the rear quarter panels, the rear bumper is also one of the more difficult panels on this car because of this opening right over here. As you see again, a lot of harsh curves right over here and down here. We did this entire rear bumper, again, one-piece installation, and the seams are tucked and hidden wherever possible. On the back side where the Lotus letterings are, we removed them, filmed the entire rear bumper, and then we placed it directly over the PPF so that you don't get any kind of cutouts around those letters, making it an eyesore over time. Now, after all the PPF was done, we ceramic coated the entire car, and as you see right now, the gloss is really top notch and it just makes this car really pop in the sun. Now, ClearGuard Alpha is already the best gloss and best optical clarity PPF in this industry, and whenever you top it off with any kind of ceramic coating, it just adds to that effect and makes maintenance that much easier over time. So guys, another project done, and I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos. And until our next one, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you soon.